Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel Life with Mini. I hope everyone is keeping well. So guys, today we're off for a walk and I thought I'd take you with me and show you a bit of Yorkshire. As you can see, Yorkshire is very hilly, and that hill at the top, right at the top guys, is called the Black Hill. I'm not really sure why, but yeah, that's what it's called. So yeah guys, this is hilly Yorkshire, and so today guys, I had my dentist appointment, which I was absolutely dreading, but it wasn't so bad. It was really good. So I had it early in the morning, me and my youngest, and so you just go straight into the dentist. You phone them up and you wait in the car, and then you just knock on the door and they'll come and get you. And yeah, they have all the COVID measures in place, so there's no waiting around anymore. You just go straight into the dentist's room and just see your dentist. So my appointment went quite well. I do need to have an extraction guys in May, which I'm not looking forward to, and then I'm gonna have a few other treatments as well. And then my youngest guys, I am so happy today because the dentist has finally said yes for him to have his braces. So I've taken him 3 times to the dentist, and on the 3rd time the dentist has finally agreed to refer him to the orthodontist. I have 4 children guys, so my eldest 2 have had braces. My youngest is really excited, and so around April, May, I think he's going to get his orthodontist appointment, the dentist said. So yeah guys, we're really happy about that today. So guys, I hope you enjoy this little nature walk with us, and yeah guys, I'll see you in my next video. Take care, stay safe, stay well.